Good morning guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So for my breakfast this morning, I'm just having a protein shake. So I'm using the Lux Fitness salted caramel protein powder and this Teami Beauty Butterfly collagen powder, which is my new favorite thing to add to my smoothies, and sometimes I'll just even pop it in my coffee as well. But collagen helps with your hair and your skin and your nails, and this stuff is just amazing. Bit later in the day now. I started my vlog this morning. I woke up, I had my coffee, I did a little bit of work, and now I just did a workout. I made my protein shake this morning, which was the Lux Fitness caramel protein powder and the Teami collagen powder as well, which is literally my new favorite thing. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's just done really amazing things for me. So I will link everything for Teami down in the description bar, because I have used their greens powder as well, which I do really love. But this collagen powder is honestly just on a whole nother level. My hair, my skin and my nails are thanking me for taking this. So everything will be linked down below. I just did my workout. I guess I'll show you what I'm wearing. So everything is from Rockwear. Everything, my top and my shorts are both from Rockwear. This is from their new collection, super cute. I'll show you the back. That's the back. It's really cute. Finished these bike shorts from Rockwear as well. I don't know what my shoes are from. I think they're Adidas. I'm pretty sure they're Adidas. Okay, so this is the workout that I did today. 45 minutes. That's how many kilojoules I burned. It's a pretty good workout. My sister uses some app, I don't know what it's called, but I just did the workout with her, and now I'm gonna have a shower and then get ready for the day, because I have a few other things to film. Exciting things happening tonight. Our Bombshells products are launching, so I'm gonna try and get my hands on those. Alright, so I have a few products that I want to show you guys. So I ordered some stuff from LeBang Body. One of the things that I got is this Reed diffuser. So it's coconut and lime. It smells really good. Because my room's small, I can't smell it in my room. I did also get a car freshener that smells like Redskins, but it's in my car and I can't be bothered to go and get it right now. But this is the diffuser that I got from LeBang. And then I also decided to get some of the Sarah's Day products, because I wanted to try them for a while, and I thought I would just get them since I was on the website. So this is her Pity Party natural deodorant, and this is in the scent lychee and vanilla. It smells really good. This is my first time using a natural deodorant, so I feel like my body's still kind of getting used to it. At the moment it doesn't work as good as normal deodorant, but I feel like with natural deodorant, once you start using it for a while, your body gets used to it. Plus the packaging is so cute, and it smells really good. And I've also been using the Butter Me Up brightening skin butter in coconut and lime. This stuff smells amazing. So this is what it looks like. It's just a really thick like body butter. I'll show you guys. So it's quite thick. It smells really good, like coconut and lime, because that's the scent. It can be a little bit difficult to work into your skin when it's cold, but when your skin's hot, because it's like an oily kind of butter, it just melts into your skin really nicely. So these are the two new skincare products that I've been trying out. They're both from Sand and Sky. So this is a Tasmanian Spring Water Hydration Boost Cream, and this is a Tasmanian Spring Water Splash Serum. They're both super hydrating, and they smell really good as well. I love skincare that smells amazing. So I've been using these for maybe about 2-3 weeks. They did send them to me before they launched to try out. I feel like when I use it, I've noticed a difference in the way that my skin looks. It just looks a lot more hydrated and glowy and bouncy, which I love. So Sand and Sky, they are cruelty free, which I also love, and Australian made. I love supporting Australian companies, so love Sand and Sky. I'm ready for the day. Well, I'm half ready for the day. My hair is still drying and I really don't want to blow dry it, so just gonna leave it. Makeup's on, outfit is half on. I have pajama pants on because I had my comfy pants on from Hello Molly and I got foundation on them, so they're in the wash. But I've just filled up my water bottle. This is from Kmart. I got this the other day. It's a litre. I've already had one, so this is my second water bottle for the day. I'm trying to drink as much water as I can. But I thought I would quickly show you guys my room because I moved it around a few weeks ago and I haven't showed you guys yet. So I'm going to show you how I moved it because I like it and I haven't ever had it this way. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So basically my bed used to be under my window. This used to be facing up the other way, so it was taller. And my clothes rack was, I don't remember where that was, to be honest. But I've got my bed against the wall now, which I really like because I like to have like a little, you know, sleeping corner. And then I've got my bedside table and I've got my clothing rack that's like on an angle in the corner, and I really like the look of that. And then I've got, this is from IKEA. I tipped it down on the side and I had to switch the drawers and the doors over because they were obviously facing the other way because it was upright. So I've just got like makeup and stationery in there because originally I thought I'll lay that down like that and that's what I'll use as my desk. I have been using it as my desk and that's where I get ready in the morning. So I've got all of my makeup and stationery in there. Those two white boxes at the bottom I do want to switch out to something different. And then I've just got a bunch of random stuff, and then I've got all my skincare in this little hole here. And then up the top I've just got my little plant from IKEA, and I've got my iPad, some notebooks and my planner, my reed diffuser from LeBang Body, and then I've just got this little daily edited thing here because I like the packaging and I think it's really cute. And then my shelves I changed around a little bit as well. That's what my room looks like. I do have my desk in this area. This is like not permanent because I feel like that looks really dumb there, and also it blocks off my wardrobe, so this isn't permanent. I do kind of want to get a new desk, maybe something a little bit smaller, but I don't have anywhere to put this right now. Don't have anywhere in the house to put this right now, so it's just staying there for the meantime. There's nothing in the drawer. I took everything out of there to put in the other thing. So I've just got my perfumes, random picture, some candles, my water bottle, and that is what my room looks like. So for lunch I ended up just making some bao buns. So I've just got carrot, coriander, chicken, and a little bit of sun-dried tomato. Hi guys, so it's a bit later on in the day now. I filmed the video for my assignment. I haven't uploaded it to any platform yet, so I need to do that tonight. But I ended up going to IKEA because I wanted to get some new little things for down there. They didn't end up having those, so I bought some other stuff instead. So I guess I'll show you guys what I got. So I got this little stand. Pretty sure it's for recipe books, but I'm gonna keep my iPad on it. It's just like a nice little iPad stand. And then I also got this basket. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it. I kind of just got it because it was pink and I think it's really cute. You can like fold the top bit inside if you want it to be smaller. And then I got 2 candles. So this one is raspberry and this one is like a peachy apricot kind of scent. I don't have much else to do this afternoon other than upload my video for my assignment, and then I'm gonna get ready for the Bombshells launch. I want to film myself trying to get the products. Hopefully they don't sell out before I can get them. I really want to be able to get them in the first drop. We are dropping 1,000 bundles tonight. Definitely gonna sell out, and then we're dropping another 1,000 I think in 2 days. But I'd love to be able to get my hands on the first lot, so that's what's happening. I was gonna cook dinner tonight, but I'm not anymore. I'm cooking tomorrow instead. Yeah, excuse the crappy lighting. It's dark now, but it is a little bit later. We've got 1 hour to go until Bombshells have our first product launch, which is so exciting. So I've just been doing some last minute things, but I've just popped up some last few posts and very excited. Also, I'm on to my 3rd bottle of water for today. So this water bottle is doing wonders because it's really helping me drink more water. I don't know why. Alright, so we've got 2 minutes until the products launch. I've got my computer ready to go. So I'm hoping I can get them tonight. If not, there is going to be another drop in a few days, so I can get them then. But I really just want to be able to get them in the first drop. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, it's 7 o'clock. Add to cart. Okay, so my camera died literally the second I placed the order, but I managed to place the order. I got my beauty bundle. I am so excited. I was really stressing that I wasn't going to be able to get it tonight just because I know how many people wanted it, but I've managed to got it, and some of the other girls are getting theirs as well, which is so exciting. But I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will do a unboxing video when I get my skincare bundle, just to show you guys what's in it, and then I will obviously do some more videos using the skincare and everything, so stay tuned for that if you want to see what the skincare is like. So yeah, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.